Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to super clean your carpets. You can use it in your house or in your car using the amazing product Super Clean. I want to thank Super Clean. They always have supported me and my channel and send out a bunch of products. The products are amazing. They work super well. It almost makes it so you don't need anything else. You can dilute it down to whatever you're cleaning and it works amazing. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how we clean the rear hatch of a Lexus LX470 that had actually grease embedded into the carpet fibers, and how we were able to use Super Clean to dilute it, break down that grease, and then extract it away. Alright guys, so for this back hatch here, this is all grease. So I've diluted my Super Clean down for carpets and upholstery, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it on and see what we can get. For all the dilution recommendations, it's on the back of the bottles, so you can look it up there. And yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so we start off by liberally spraying the Super Clean all over the rear hatch carpet. You can see all the grease that's kind of embedded in there. So we're going to use the Super Clean to try and break it down so that we can actually get it out of there. So once I spray down the whole area, I use my drill brush. Again, this will be linked down in the description below. This is a really important part. You can try and scrub it out by hand. However, it will be very difficult. This basically replicates you doing it by hand, except at 100 times the speed. So it makes a big difference. As you can see already there, we're having a gigantic improvement. This thing was really bad, so I did use my extractor to suck out the Super Clean afterwards. However, you don't need to do that in most cases. You can actually just use a microfiber towel and kind of scrub the carpets afterwards with the microfiber towel, hit it with a vacuum to suck up any of the moisture, and you'll be good to go. Now with this vehicle, I did make quite a few passes because I wanted to get as much of it out as I possibly could. So I actually went back and forth, did a whole pass with the extractor, came back, hit it with some more Super Clean, drill brush, agitated the whole area, sucked it out again. So, but this was just after my first pass and it came out looking amazing. We'll do a little side-by-side here in a minute so you can actually see the difference from before of what it was to how it looks now. So again, Super Clean is an amazing product, guys, and I really encourage you to go and try it. It works for literally everything. You can use it straight if you're as in not diluted at all, for heavier like metal things that you're trying to degrease, and then you can dilute all the way down for pretty gentle on upholstery and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel as well, and share this with somebody if you think that it could benefit them on kind of learning how to clean out their carpets. Please share this. It really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you on the next one.